each day with the greatest chances during the afternoon and evening hours. Strong to isolated.
Alright, it's 11:30 a.m. So
gusty winds, frequent lightning and heavy rainfall.
They're gonna do it any minute now.
Forecast to be around 100 to 105 degrees through the first half of the weekend and will continue to be monitored. Those with outdoor plans this week and weekend should stay hydrated and make sure to practice good heat safety. Spotter information.
Here we go.
The proceeding was a test of the National Weather Service Emergency Warning System from Atlanta, KEC-80. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Atlanta listening area: Cherokee, Clayton, Cobb, DeKalb, Douglas, Fayette, Forsyth, Fulton, Gwinnett, Henry, Newton, Rockdale, and Walton. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcasting.
So there you have it. That concludes the required weekly tests of the National Weather Service warning alarm tone.